It's estimated that by the year 2050, over 20% of the population will be 65 and older. Presently, there are more than 835,000 Americans currently residing in a senior living facility. While the medical care of our elders should always be a concern, it's time to prioritize senior living.
The options today in the marketplace for seniors are in-home care, moving in with a family member, or senior living communities. Harmony Senior Services offers a different senior living community, which we really feel is the best option.
My name is Lorraine Berry, and I was one of the first people to move in. Well, from day one, I felt like it was home.
With over 40 locations in the United States, Harmony Senior Services is providing independent living, assisted living, and memory care services to seniors. The thoughtfully designed, spacious, and inviting floor plans and meaningful daily activities gives folks options to enjoy a comfortable, brighter future.
Harmony Senior Services is a family serving families company. We were founded by a family, and our core commitment is to provide senior living for today's senior. We have beautiful communities that are built with today's senior in mind. And what that means is we have beautiful, large communities with the various amenity spaces, upgraded furnishings and finishings, and the largest apartment styles on average in every market. And that allows us to provide a beautiful luxury community, but for today's senior at an affordable rate.
It's got everything, everything you would ever want as far as space. The apartment's big enough, and of course the food is scrumptious, and activities. I'm not much of a loner, so there are people around that like to chit chat. Whatever pleases you, it's just about here,
So Ms. Berry, tell me a little bit about how did you find out about Harmony?
Well, I saw it being built.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm. And it was being built on our old dairy farm. And I got excited about that, and then when I found out it was a senior complex, I got even more excited. So that's why we looked and decided this would be perfect for me. Mm-hmm. It's on Berry Road, and I'm a Berry.
So Ms. Berry, you were one of our first residents. You've been here almost a year. Mm-hmm. What are your favorite things here at the community?
Well, I like the game night. We play Scrabble every evening, and I like mealtime, even though I'm putting on some pounds.
We all have, yeah.
Their food here is really delicious, very delicious. And hey, they clean my apartment once a week, and it's just heaven on earth.
Harmony Senior Services offers a continuum of care. That allows us to offer our beautiful communities to everybody that may be looking for different care options in senior living. So we have independent living, which provides seniors an excellent apartment-style living without the hassles of home ownership and with the convenience of dining, housekeeping, and great socialization. We also have assisted living for seniors that need a little bit more care and support. They also have the access to our beautiful full community programming, dining, but also with 24-hour assistance and care. Finally, we have our memory care community, which is designed specifically for seniors that may have Alzheimer's or dementia-related diseases.
I believe that we have a common goal here at Harmony, and that common goal is to provide a certain level of care which is expected and deserved.
I love hearing the stories of our residents, our family members. I feel that deep connection with them, which is really rewarding. Our staff here, they're not doing just a job, they're caring for family, and that is meaningful for all of us.
Our cornerstone philosophy of family serving families was developed in response to our approach that we were founded by a family, we operate as a family, and we serve families. And we operate every day with the question, is that what we would want for our mother, for our father? And we hold ourselves accountable to that.
My first day, first night, first week, I felt at peace with living here the rest of my life. And nothing has changed.
To learn more about Harmony Senior Services, visit their website, harmonyseniorservices.com, or our website, designingspaces.tv.